Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to record you yet another again build box tutorial. Today the game is switching ball. Okay, now without taking a long time, let's start the tutorial. First, what you need to do is if you don't have build box, download build box, and when you download build box, open build box, and then if you don't have an account, you can create an account, and if you already have an account, you can sign in. And when you already make the account, or when you already sign into your account, this is what it will look like. Okay. Now what I need you to do is scroll down and then create new game, and then click 3D game. Okay, now go to add box and then project settings, and then change the name to be switching ball, and then just click OK. First one I want to change is the start and end for this game. Okay, first you need to click on start, then change the scale of X to be 5. Now you need to go to end, click on end, and then change the scale to be 5 in scale. For X in scale, change to be 5, Y is 1, and Z is 1, and start is the same. Okay, and in end, change the position of Z to be from -4 to be -25. Now as you can see, now the start is in here and the end is in here. Okay, now let's first make the street for this game. Click on cube, change the name to be street. You don't need to delete the cube, or if you want, delete it. Just do whatever. Change the name to street. Okay, now what I want you to do is this cube, move it a bit backwards so it's touching start, and change the position of the camera to be facing downwards like this. Okay, ignore. Okay, now look at my cursor and then click on this circle or sphere that has a circle. Okay, or maybe change the scale first, make it more bigger, and maybe the scale is 5. It's too big. Maybe 3, x3, y3. Oh no, y is 1, and then z is 3. Okay, maybe that's good enough. Okay, that's good enough. Now click the circle thing, and then from here, I'll click here. This, sorry, I'll make it so that you can see this green thing, this green line. Make it so when it is seen from on top, it looks like a diamond. Not particularly a diamond. Okay, just like this. Now let's see from the top. Alright, I want you guys to make it like this. This is for start. Maybe you can move it a little bit backwards a little more. Okay. And this is where the player will be starting. And now let's make it again. Duplicate this. Control C or and Control V or Command C, Command V, or Control D or Command D. Okay, Command D is for duplicating it, and Command C or Command V is for copy and then paste. Okay, and I will use Command D. See, it's duplicated. It's been duplicated. Alright, maybe just use Command C, Command V, or Control C, Control V. Alright, now move it to the end. Right here, like this. Okay. Okay, now I want you guys to duplicate this again. Control C, Control V, or Command C, Command V, and then change the size to make it to make the size more little. Alright, wait. Okay, it's not like this. Okay, let's try Z. It's change it to be 5, not 5, 3. Okay, that's enough. And then X to be 1. Okay, for the scale of the other seat is maybe not 3, yeah. Just 3. For the scale is X, it is 1, Y it is 1, and Z it is 3. And I want you guys to position it so it is in here. Just look at this. Here, like this. Okay, I want you guys to position or change the position like this, and then duplicate this. Control C, Control V, and then change the rotation. Oh no, change the rotation as okay, if I'm not mistaken, to be minus. Okay, change it from minus. Change it from in here. It is different for every one of you guys because for starters, and the big triangle, the big square in the start, we do not make it using specific numbers. We just rotate it. So in here, change it from a positive number to a negative number. Just add minus. Okay, and then reposition it again. So it will be like this. So it will be like this. Okay, maybe not. Okay, if you guys are facing problems like this, like it is straight and then there's a bump, or it is not straight, just use this circle again to change the position. Alright. Okay, wait. Okay, it just okay. This should be done. Okay, like this. And now I want you guys to duplicate this again. In the start, Control C, Control V, and then move it to here. Okay, and then this part, Control C, Control V, move it here, move it here. Make it so it's tidy, so it's not messy. Control C, Control V again. Okay, let me see. Oh, no. Okay, now another one, the last one, I think. Control C, Control V. Okay. Okay, now it's done. If you're facing problems like this, it's okay, just pull it forward a little bit until it's like this. Okay, and now it's done. Okay, so for the road or the street is done now. And now let's go to the player. Add sphere into characters. Change the name to player. Change the collision group to characters. The physics is dynamic. And then let's code the player first. In start, add move. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, it's -10. Now let's see the preview. Oh, wait. So now add the player in characters, drag it to the world, make it so it's on top of here. Okay, wait. Okay, make it so it's like this, like this. And I think the size needs to be a little bit more, change to be 0.8. The X, the Y is 0.8, and the Z is 0.82. So all of it is 0.8. Okay, now we go back to the player, double click on player. There is already the code, and that is Z equals -10. Now let's see the preview. Let's see if it's working. Okay, it's working. Alright, it's working. It's working, and don't forget, I forget, change the physics from dynamic to static on street. Okay, now let's try it again. As you can see, it's floating, so you change change the Y from 0 to -10. Okay, now let's see again the preview. Okay, see. Okay, Okay, now let's add the movement. Search for keyboard button, two of them, and then move two of them. Alright, and change the name of move to be the first move to be move right, then the second move to be move left. Okay, the button for move right is going to be D, and for move left it's going to be A. And delete, make Z to be 0 and X to be if it's right, then it's a positive number, so it's 5. And then drag, make a line from press keyboard button to move right enable. And then because it's move left, in here it is -5, and the Z is 0. And then drag the line from keyboard button press to move left. And then let's see the preview again. Okay, as you can see, it's moving. Maybe the Z, change Z to be -5, and move right and move left. -5. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, seems to be working. See? Okay. Now go to the camera here. You can press it here or this, and then the position follow, change it to be player. Alright, now let's add an enemy. Add pyramid to objects, and then change the physics to kinematic, and the collision group to be enemy, and put this is for this art. And I want you guys now to add a new level section here on the plus sign. Click it. So this is going to be level 1. Now I want you guys to copy paste the street, except for the player, just the street. Now copy paste it. Sorry, wait. Okay, Control C or Command C. In level section, in level 1, Control V or Command V. Okay. Alright, now in here we're going to add the enemy, the pyramid. Add it to here, to the world, drag it to the world, and then change the rotation, the Y, to be 180. Let's try 180. Or if it's not in here, change it from here as usual, like this. Let's change it to be so it's facing downwards. Okay, let me see if it's facing downwards. Alright, it is facing downwards. Okay. Alright, it is done. Now click on this again, and then pick where you want to place this in here. I want to place the enemy in here, like this, just like this. It's okay. In here. And now let's add coding to the enemy, the first enemy. Yeah, I forgot to change the pyramid to be enemy. Enemy, okay. Double click on enemy and then add a new code called rotation. Rotation. Where is it? Rotation. Rotation animation. The rotate. Okay, not rotation, but rotate. Alright, now create a line from start created to rotate enable. Change the Y to be -200. And now let's see the preview. I want to see the enemy. Alright, it seems to be working. Just like this. Wait. What? Okay. There's a bug. Wait. It should not be like this. I want to see again without the enemy. Yeah, it's not like that. There's something wrong. Let's try and fix it. Okay. Move it forward a little bit, maybe. Let's see. Oh, wait. Let me try and solve it. No. Oh no. Okay, it's not like that, so. Oh, okay. No. Okay. How to solve this? How do I solve this? Why is it like this? I don't know how to solve this. Maybe all of the different position. It's really different. Wait a moment. Okay. In level section 1, if you're having a problem, delete all the street. Let's see, delete it, and then in start, copy paste it again. Copy paste. Now let's see on preview again. Okay, it's still the same. Okay. Alright. Okay, how do I fix this? How do I fix this? Fix. Oh, okay. I'm kind of confused. Where is the start? For? Oh, I forgot. Change. Okay, wait. Sorry. In start, change it. Yeah, change the scale on level 1. It is not changed yet. I forgot. Sorry. Change it. Scale X to be 5 on start, and in end, scale X to be 5, and then the Z to be -25. Now it should be fixed. Let's try again. Alright, it's fixed now. There should be no problems anymore. If you're having problems like this, it's okay. you can I think that you guys are more capable, you can fix this by yourself, or if you don't want, or you can let it be just like this, because it doesn't really it uh, doesn't really brother not brother sorry hindrance. It's not a bit to disturb. It's not going to disturb the game. Sorry. Okay, now let's add the enemy in level section, in level 1, yeah. Let's add the enemy from objects to the world. Change the X to be, let's guess, minus 180. I want to try minus 180. Alright, number is minus 180. Okay, now place it anywhere you want, and it's already have the code. So let's see the preview again. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now don't make the same mistake as me. Instead of making a new level, just duplicate the current level. Command D or click on the current level, and then click on Command D or Control D. Okay, don't forget to change the name to be level 2 if it's level 1, and if it's level 2, change it to be level 3. Alright, change the position of the enemy. Do not forget this. Maybe in here. If it's here, then it's good to put it here. Alright, now let's add a point, and in 3D shapes, add sphere, add tube in 3D shapes, and then put tube in the end. Okay, now make it more big. Change the scale to be 2, x2, y1, and z2. Alright, or maybe change the y to be 4. Okay, just like this. Change the collision group to be coin, static to kinematic. Let's do it, and double click on tube, and then add if collide, and then add remove. Okay, now drag our create a line in start created to enable, and in if collide to enable in remove, and click in if collide the affected asset, change it to be player. So if the tube is touching the player, it will be removed. Okay, now what I want you to do is add an enemy inside of the tube, just like this. You can make your own enemy, a new custom enemy, or you can use the enemy in asset library, but I'm just going to use this because I already have, and it's more simple. Okay, Just like that. Okay, now let's add a new code in player, that is double click on player, add if collide add two of them from start. Alright, add two if collides, and then add coin, sorry, add coin. Look at the tube if it's wait, the tube, the collision group is coin, so it's add coin, and then add defeat, and then add event. Okay. Okay, now on created, make align to if collide enable to the two of them, and then in here the if collide is the tube, of course, the tube. Let's change the name to coin to make it more easy to remember, coin. And then in here if collide, make align to add coin enable, and in here change the affected assets to be enemy, make align to collide to enable defeat, and then defeat to event game over. Then remove and pause the current world. Okay, now let's see the preview. Okay, as you can see, now let's touch the enemy. Okay, it seems to be working. Now let's see, let's touch the coin to see. Oops. Okay, alright. Okay, oh, maybe it's impossible. Okay, maybe don't put the enemy here, put it in here, now let's play the game again. Okay, touch this. Alright, it seems to be working. Now let's go to main map, then add UI screen, double click it, and add default font on here. In here, change the function to be score, change the score type to be coins, and then change the amount to be current, and add event observer outside of okay, like that. Alright, now from create a line from 3D world UI to UI screen load. Now let's see. I should. Okay, seems to be working. Oh, it's not adding. Oh no. Let's try again. Oh no. Let's try again. Okay. Passed. Okay. Alright. Okay, now it's adding. Alright, seems to be working. Now let's add the game over screen and start screen. Add two UI screens. Change the name. This is start UI. Start UI, and this is game over UI. Over UI. Double click on start UI first. I already have, as usual, I already have a design for the start UI. You guys should make your own, and it's in here. Help box, searching bar, and it is this. Now resize it. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright. Again. Should go right. Now add navigation button and add the image. Start. Resize navigation button. Alright. Should do it. Now start, cut it off, make it to load, and then navigation button to load to the world. Now it's for game over UI. It's the same. The difference is just there is a number. Alright, wait, oops, sorry. Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, alright. Now let's add a default font. Add default font. Add default font. Function to be score. Points to be coin. Best. Okay, it's our best. Okay. Hey. Well, let's add navigation button. Add the design. Restart. Alright. Position it. Alright. Just like this. Now we're done. From event observer UI screen to load, and then navigation button and game over UI to start UI. Okay, now we are done. Now let's see the full game. Okay, just as usual. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh no! 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 Cancel! Okay, no, it's safe. Okay, I forgot to tell you. Do not forget to save the game. Save the game, because Buildbox likes to crash on its own. Name it switching ball tutorial. Save. Okay, now let's see the preview. Let's see. Alright, it's working. Let's start. Oh, start. Okay, now the game is finished. As you can see, this is how the game looks like. Alright. Yeah, it's finished now. Okay. Oh, wait. What? Let's see. Oh no. Oh yeah, I forgot. Change the ground type ground grass to be no ground. Okay, now let's see the preview again. Alright, let's see it, this, and let's die purposely. Okay, now the game is done, and let's go to closing. I would like to thank you guys. It's a long journey. The game is now done. I'm very grateful that you guys watch this video tutorial. Thank you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.